Sup guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to make an easy bookmark which can be prepared in 2 minutes. This is the bookmark. I will show you how to make this. For making a bookmark, you need a square paper. So let's get started. You need to fold it like this. After that, you need to take this place over here. Oh my gosh. Then after you will get extra places over here. We'll fold that and make that into a diamond. Okay. Then after that you will get some hole over here. We'll put it inside the hole. Both of them. Then after our bookmark is ready. So now let's decorate it. So we are going to stick the teeth over here. So let's stick it. Okay. So we have a circle over here. Let me fold it and I'm going to cut it. Okay. So we finished cutting it and I'm going to stick it over here. I drew the eyes. Now it's done. It looks so beautiful. I have made one more. I'm going to stick this picture over here. Let me stick it. Yeah. I made so many of them. Want to say you one thing. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video.